Today I am reviewing the Dyson V9 Motorbar Cordless Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The core of this vacuum's performance comes from the Dyson V9 motor paired with a Motorbar cleaner head. This cleaner head is built to handle multiple floor types with ease, whether you have hardwood, tiles, or thick carpet. What many users immediately notice is how effortlessly it transitions from one surface to another. You do not have to switch attachments or adjust settings manually every time you move from room to room. The motor bar automatically adapts and delivers a deep clean on each surface. It lifts debris, dust, and fine particles without leaving anything behind. For households with mixed flooring, this makes the cleaning process significantly faster and smoother. Another major advantage of the Motorbar cleaner head is its ability to detangle hair as it cleans. Traditional vacuums often get clogged with long hair or pet hair wrapped tightly around the brush bar. Over time, this reduces performance and requires constant manual cleaning. Dyson's automatic detangling system prevents that problem. As you vacuum, the tool actively removes hair from the brush bar and continues cleaning without stopping. This is especially valuable for pet owners or anyone with long hair who is tired of cutting tangled strands out of the vacuum head. The vacuum also includes the hair screw tool, which is a feature many people consider essential once they use it for the first time. This tool is designed specifically to pick up long hair and pet hair from places like stairs, car seats, pet beds, and upholstery. Its conical-shaped brush bar pulls hair towards the center and efficiently removes it without wrapping or jamming. This is the type of tool that makes the vacuum feel like a complete cleaning system rather than just a floor vacuum. You can tackle almost any area of your home with confidence. Dyson also integrates smart technology through its LCD screen, which gives you real-time information directly on the vacuum. This includes power modes, the remaining runtime, and maintenance alerts. Being able to see your battery life in minutes is incredibly helpful because you can plan your cleaning without guessing how much time you have left. The screen is bright, easy to read, and responds instantly when modes are changed. For many users, this eliminates the frustration that comes from older cordless vacuums where the battery level is unclear until it suddenly stops working. With the Dyson V9, you always know exactly what's happening. The vacuum features 3 power modes, allowing you to control the level of suction based on the task. The Eco mode is ideal for long cleaning sessions where you want maximum runtime. The Medium mode provides balanced suction for everyday use. And the Boost mode is designed for deep cleaning when dealing with stubborn dirt or highly trafficked areas. Having these options gives you flexibility and ensures you're getting the most out of the battery with each use. One of the biggest benefits of the V9 motor bar is its ability to convert easily into a handheld vacuum. This transformation takes only seconds and instantly makes the vacuum useful for cleaning cars, stairs, furniture, shelves, curtains, or tight spaces. It feels like 2 vacuums in one. The handheld mode is powerful, compact, and comfortable to hold, making it convenient for quick cleanups throughout the day or for reaching corners that a full-size vacuum cannot access. Portability and maneuverability are also strong points. The vacuum is lightweight, and its design makes it easy to move around furniture, under beds, and along edges. The shape of the wand and the balance of the machine ensure it does not strain your wrist, even during longer cleaning sessions. For people who want a vacuum that is easy to operate without feeling bulky or heavy, the Dyson V9 hits the ideal middle ground between strength and comfort. Runtime is another area where the V9 performs well. Dyson's claim of up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction means you can rely on the vacuum to perform consistently from the beginning of your cleaning session to the very end. There is no noticeable drop in power, which is something many competing cordless vacuums struggle to deliver. Fade-free suction gives you peace of mind knowing that the vacuum will not weaken just when you need it most. Overall, the Dyson V9 Motorbar Cordless Vacuum offers a powerful, well-rounded cleaning experience that fits the needs of modern households. It is designed to handle daily messes, deeper cleanings, hair removal, and versatile cleaning tasks both on the floor and above it. With strong suction, smart features, easy maintenance, and thoughtful engineering, the Dyson V9 is a dependable tool that elevates the entire cleaning process. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that is lightweight, intelligent, and capable of delivering strong results across multiple surfaces, the Dyson V9 Motorbar stands out as one of the strongest options available today.